Did you know that in ancient Rome, people believed that sneezing was a sign from the gods? They thought that when you sneeze, your soul temporarily escapes your body. Some even believed that a sneeze could bring good luck or bad luck depending on the circumstances. Imagine if sneezing was still thought to be a divine message today. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember the ancient Romans and their beliefs about this everyday occurrence. What do you think about the idea of sneezing being a message from the gods? Let us know in the comments below.